The Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) will be paying a special tribute to the Indian Armed Forces during the Indian Premier League (IPL) 2025 closing ceremony at the Narendra Modi Stadium on June 3. The decision has been taken in the wake of the successful Operation Sindoor, which saw the Indian Armed Forces destroying several terrorist camps in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. BCCI Secretary Dewajit Sakia confirmed to Hindustan Times that the IPL 2025 closing ceremony will indeed be a tribute to the Indian Armed Forces. Yes, the IPL 2025 closing ceremony will honor the Indian Armed Forces, he told the Daily. This masthead has also reliably learnt that the BCCI has sent invitations for the closing ceremony to Chief of Defence Staff Anil Chauhan, Chief of Army Staff Upendra Dwivedi, Chief of Navy Staff Dinesh K. Tripathi, and Chief of Air Staff AP Singh. We are grateful for the constant bravery, courage and service of our armed forces. We want to give a special tribute to honor their efforts under Operation Sindoor. The IPL 2025 closing ceremony will be a tribute to the armed forces, sources privy to developments told Hindustan Times. We have already sent out invitations to the Chief of Defence Staff, the Chief of Army Staff, the Chief of Navy Staff and the Chief of Air Staff, he added. The closing ceremony is also likely to feature a performance by the military bands. The BCCI is expected to bring some prominent singers on board for a musical evening ahead of the IPL 2025 Grand Finale. When the IPL had to be stalled earlier, the IPL 2025 season got suspended for 1 week owing to rising tensions between India and Pakistan at the border, following a terror attack in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir, killing 26 tourists. However, the tournament resumed after a ceasefire was declared. The BCCI recognized the efforts of the Indian Armed Forces upon the IPL 2025 season's resumption as players sung the national anthem before the start of the fixtures at several venues. Messages of "Thank you, Armed Forces" were displayed on the giant screens. The BCCI had earlier paid tribute to the armed forces in 2019 when it invited the military band for the opening ceremony. Besides, the board also pledged to contribute 20 crore rupees for the welfare of the armed forces following the Pulwama terror attack, where 44 CRPF personnel were killed. Speaking of the IPL 2025 playoffs, Qualifier 1 will be played on May 29 in Mulanpur, while Eliminator will be played on May 30 at the same venue. Qualifier 2 will go ahead in Ahmedabad at the Narendra Modi Stadium. Punjab Kings have sealed their place in Qualifier 1 after defeating Mumbai Indians in Jaipur. This result confirms the 5-time champions' place in the Eliminator. The Royal Challengers Bengaluru will take on Punjab Kings in Qualifier